Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus open and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome. Let's tap on it and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of previously visited websites. If you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button. And you can remove some advanced browsing history just by tapping on Clear Browsing Data. Here we've got basic options like browsing history, cookies and site data, and here advanced options like saved passwords or site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time, or any other option. Just tap on it and tap on Clear Data. And basically this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.